Hi, this is Keith at Fields BMW of Daytona Beach. Today I'm sitting in a 2015 BMW 650, and I just wanted to go over some of the intelligent safety buttons that exist in some of our BMWs, and just give you a little bit of a rundown on what each one of those will do for your BMW. On this car in particular, they're over here on the side, which is usually where they're located on these models. So you have these buttons here, which are your intelligent safety buttons here. So when you press them, you'll see the green light come on. This is your active blind spot detection button. Next one over here is frontal collision and pedestrian warning. And then the last button here, that's your lane departure warning. Now, when you press each one of these and you come over here to your iDrive, you'll actually see on the screen what each one is going to do for you. So I'm just going to press the lane departure, and it'll show you what it's doing. It's going to give you a warning of vehicle departing when you depart your lane. It'll kind of vibrate the wheel a little bit for you. The second button over there, that's your frontal collision with pedestrian warning also. So when you press that, it'll give you the option to change the settings on those. And lastly, the button on the last one here for you is your active blind spot. So if you start to come out of your lane and there's a car there, you will get the triangles to light up on the corners of the side mirrors. So those are just some of your intelligent safety buttons that do exist in our cars. They do change some of the response times on some of the buttons. So if you have any questions on any of these, just give us a call here at Fields. Ask for one of the geniuses. We can help you out. But they're there for your safety. So just wanted to give you a little explanation on what each one does. Have a great day. Thank you.